Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video I am at Phi Phi Island, Thailand, and today my plan want to take you go to Monkey Beach and Viking Cave and Village Lagoon, and popular beach in Thailand is Maya Bay. Let's go check out together.
It have two choice. If you join with another person, the price is cheaper, but it's not a lot of people.
Yeah.
But if you go private, two person, 3 hours, private boat 1,500.
500. So not 1,500, 1,500.
No,
1,500
two.
total.
Yeah.
But this one has like snorkeling things for us, so we can go swimming in the sea.
Yes.
Yeah, that's a good deal. And I think it's probably good to do private for that price, because then we can go where we want, and if we get bored or we feel sick, we can come home.
Yeah.
Okay guys, today I want to take you go with the boat with him. Let's go.
Is this our driver for the day?
Yes, him.
Sawadee Krap. Chualai Krap. Rup. Yindi Ti Dai Rujak Krap. Okay, look at that.
Oh, yeah, have something for swimming.
Good idea.
Maya Bay, Viking Cave, Phi Phi Lagoon. Yeah.
So it says this is the National Swiftlets Preservation Area.
Yeah. Look at that.
Swiftlets must be small swifts, I guess. Well, I just shed a little tear at the beauty of this place. Not usually a very emotional man, as people can see on camera. And yeah, it just brought a tear to my eye, just how majestically beautiful this is. And I've only ever had that experience, I think, 2 other places in the world. One was on safari in Africa, and the other one, believe it or not, was overlooking a cliff in Swansea in South Wales. But then I was drunk for that one, so maybe that was why I got emotional. This is epic. This really is deserving of the #1 tourist destination in the world, which I think it probably is.
Okay, now we are at Village Lagoon. This area is so beautiful. You can come for swimming and go underwater a lot of fish. And you can see today is we have a lovely day and beautiful nature. Okay, now we at Lojama. We have to stop boat here, and after that we have to walk up, go to Maya Bay.
We have to stop here 1 hour for relax and walk around, but we have to pay money.
It's 200 baht for me, 40 baht for you, because you're Thai.
Oh, really?
Yeah, when I spoke Thai, they still didn't believe I was Thai.
Because your face. Your face is white. Why people don't believe you Thai?
It's pretty busy, isn't it, on this island? On this secluded island.
Oh, busy. A lot of people, Chinese, British people, European, a lot.
Yeah. Okay, welcome to Maya Bay. We won't bother trying to get a photo with the sign because it's absolutely mobbed by other tourists. Let's just have a little walk around the beach instead and see what it's all about. This is a very famous beach because it was in a Hollywood movie called The Beach, which starred Leonardo Dicaprio. You know him?
Oh, yes.
Leonardo Dicaprio. You know him?
Yes.
Good. Well done. So this was their second choice of filming location. Their first choice turned them down. And so they came here instead. And ever since then, it's become probably the most famous beach in the world. So let's spin around and show people. Obviously, there's absolutely no tourists here. We're the only ones here. What do you think, Rose?
Yes, the beach is so beautiful. You can see the water is blue.
Let's go and have a look down at the beach, shall we? I don't think people are allowed to swim, though. No, I think there's a man with a whistle stopping people from going too far in the water. Yeah, I reckon. I think so. Oh, that's amazing. Here we go for the inevitable rose photo shoot. Snap, snap.
Okay, after this we have to go to over there and have the shop and have drink and we can go to relax there, wait for the boat come in.
In Maya Bay is have snack bar. If you hungry, you can come for buy something and have sweet corn pineapple.
Now we have to go back to the boat and wait for the boat take we go somewhere. I have to say this area is beautiful and a lot of people today busy, but we have very good time here because the beach is very clear and beautiful. Wait for the boat there.
Which one do you think is our man?
Okay, now we have to go back to the boat. But really, I don't know where we boat because have many boat here. Him just speak with microphone. Hey, look, come for pick your customer.
ทางโยบุตรโยนะครับทางโยบุตรโยรถเพลงด้วยนะครับ
เอาเลยครับน้องขอบคุณครับ
บ๊ายบายค่ะ โอ้ว้าว Now time for Dave jump underwater.
Snorkeling now, yeah. Just parked us right in the middle of two other boats, isn't he?
Yes. Happy love?
Very happy because now I get to cool down.
I know you like swimming. Look at it, the view is so beautiful. Around here you can see people swimming.
Right.
Him bring the bread, and when you go swimming, you have to feed the fish with the bread, and when you swim, the fish come around you.
Oh wow, look at that. I love the fish. Good.
I can't sit on the boat and wait there for swimming. I think it's good idea. I have to go in the water, and the water is blue and clean. It's a lot of fish. I think it's good idea. Let's go. I really enjoy swimming with the fish, and now we have to change and we have to go to monkey beach. Sometimes when we go to monkey beach, is the monkey on the tree, is not go to the beach, and I hope today we lucky see the monkey.
Okay, now we at the monkey beach. I can see the monkey over there. Let's go outside the boat.
When you have plan to come here, I think it's good idea. You can bring banana, bread, or something monkey can eat. And when you came, monkey can come to you.
Oh, this is baby monkey. Oh, so cute. You're so cute.
Why is this beach called Monkey Beach?
Because this beach is have monkey. I love the monkey.
I fell straight into that one.
This monkey is look relaxed, sit down and wait people come for take photo. It's really cute. And have mini boat come here. You can see a lot of people.
Looks like a natural monkey beach.
What do you think about this one?
I think this is wonderful. Completely natural experience feeding the monkeys donuts.
Yeah, better when you come here is have food. When you don't have food, this monkey not come to you. Just run away. We have to go back to the boat. I think the monkey is like him because him bring donuts for the monkey. Another boat is don't have donuts.
We were the most popular boat for the monkeys.
Yeah, there is very good tip with the boat.
It is, yeah. Definitely worth doing this. Definitely private boat as well.
Yeah. Okay, now we have to leave Monkey Beach.
Thank you so much for watching my video guys, and thank you so much for 633 people for support me, follow me on my YouTube channel. Hope to see you again in next video guys. Bye bye, have a nice day.